Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on the live option in the bottom section of your screen. Tap on Go Live option. Here, you'll have to allow MeetMe to record audio. So you can click on either of the first two options. Here, check the given box in order to agree to the terms of policy and service of MeetMe application. Then tap on Got It option. Here, all you have to do is place your head in such a way that it can be visible and tap on Start option in the bottom section of your screen. So that is how you can go live on MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.